How to recharge Netflix. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can recharge your Netflix account. In order to recharge your Netflix account, you'll not be able to do it with the help of an application. For that, you'll need to log in from a web browser. So open up your web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice, and then on the web address bar, type in netflix.com. Make sure that you're already logged into your account. After you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page of your Netflix account. After that, go to your try bar icon located in the upper left corner of your screen. After that, you'll be able to see a variety of options underneath. You'll need to tap on account, which is right on top. As soon as you've done that, you'll be able to see your account information. Over here, you'll be able to see your next payment date. So actually, Netflix has auto renewal feature, so you do not have to do anything. However, if you're unable to recharge your Netflix, what you need to do is you need to verify your payment method, or maybe update your payment method. In order to verify your payment method, you need to go to manage info. After that, you can just edit your information, or you can add a new payment method and remove the previous one. In this way, you can recharge your Netflix. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.